What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. We're going to go over Cardano ADA. We're sitting at 37 cents, down 1.6 on the day. See market cap 13.2 billion. 24-hour volume 287 million. Let's hop into the chart. So we look here on the 4-hour chart. We are slightly losing the support of the ascending triangle. So if we successfully close on the 4-hour here below, then we can come down in that wave 2 pullback, and that would take you down in between 32 to 27 cents. Good entry opportunity. This is an ascending triangle, so if we bounce and break that resistance, there is the opportunity for the straight breakout. Of course, it depends on BTC, but as of right now, we are slightly losing that support. So if we break down, retest, get rejected, high likelihood you come down to that wave 2 pullback zone and could give a nice long trade opportunity. As you can see on the daily chart, broke out of this beautiful falling wedge, massive wave 1 to the upside. So now we're looking for that wave 2 pullback, which will offer a good entry to ride up the wave 3. So let's say we come down to the 50%, wave 1 up, wave 2 pullback, push up 3, 4, 5. Let's say, let me change the color. Red is a bit tough to see here. Let's say we come down to the 50%. If we do end up seeing that retracement, of course, anything can happen. We could create a higher high first. You would go from the bottom of the wave 1 to the top. We came down to the 50% retracement. You would target the 1.618 for the wave 3, which is all the way up at 60 cents, which would be incredibly juicy. And that's what would you? That's the target you would look at for a wave 3. Would be healthy to see some pullback here for the price of ADA. Let's see what we're doing on the weekly chart. Yeah, we're a bit overextended from the 20 EMA. We're just sitting above the 55 EMA. So we see a little bit pullback, bounce off the 20 EMA, and then eventually see the weekly bullish cross, which is a massive signal of continuation to the upside. If we end up creating a higher high first, then the wave 1 simply isn't finished yet, and that's perfectly okay. But personally, I'll wait for the pullback to enter a trade. Currently, we're in trades for XRP, Matic, Gala Games, Ethereum. Signals are $10 a month. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN. Let it load up here. No KYC, no VPN for my US Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus into their futures account. That means if you deposit $1,000, $200 completely free to trade with. You can also win AirPods, AirPod Pro Max. Links in the description as well as in the comments section. Funny guys in the Discord. My signals are $10 a month, daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups. We're in many crypto trades right now, crypto news, member profits, Forex signals. We're killing it on US oil. We're killing it on USD JPY. We just hit TP1 on silver. So we're killing it in Forex. We're killing it in crypto, all for $10 a month. You really can't beat it. All links down below. Smash up that like button. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.